Hello guys, in this video we'll make digital clock using LCD where the time will be taken from the internet and will update the time at every interval of 1 second. So let's get started. First we'll take a on start event node. To connect with Wi-Fi we'll take a Wi-Fi start node. In the properties of Wi-Fi start node we'll configure a node. We'll specify a Wi-Fi SSID. We specify Wi-Fi password. In the output we'll get success code. To get time and data from the internet and to store in the internal RTC of a microcontroller, we'll take a SNTP node. We specify our time zone. For that we'll take a change time zone node. We connect with the flow. In its property we specify a time zone. Now to display time and date on the LCD and to update it at every interval of 1 second, we'll take a on interval node. We'll make a global variable of success code so that only after our Wi-Fi is connected, the time and date will be displayed on the LCD. Its initial value will be 1. We'll add one if node after on interval node and we'll specify condition that execute the next node only when the success code is equals to 0. So when a Wi-Fi is connected, the success code will be 0. We'll take a RTC get timestamp to get time and date information. As you can see in the output, we'll get parameter. In parameter we'll get microseconds, milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, month day, month, year, week day, year day, and daylight saving time. So we'll print seconds, minutes, hours in our time, and in date we'll print month day, month, year, as well weekday. To print in LCD, we'll take a LCD clear node. First, to clear our LCD existing output, we'll configure LCD port. We'll select port I2C0. The SCL pin will be 19, SDA pin 18. We have 2 rows in the LCD and 16 columns. Click ahead and done. We'll take a LCD print node. We'll connect with the flow. In the LCD print node, we'll select the node configuration. We'll keep block number as 0 and line number as 0. In the text input, which pass our expression time plus R plus semicolon plus minute, seconds. Let's check our variable names once. Seconds, minutes and hours. Let's correct it. Seconds. Click done. To print the date on the below line of LCD flag on row 2, we'll again take a LCD print node. We'll connect with the flow in the LCD print node. We'll select line number, we'll specify line number as 1. Text date, we'll pass our expression. Day, we'll pass weekday variable. Then month day variable. Month variable and year. We'll pass year variable later. First, let's print this much. Click done, and verify the variable name once. Month day, month, weekday. Click done. We also need to add some delay after SNTP because it takes some time to store data in RTC. So we'll add delay of 10 seconds. Let's save our flow, verify the flow, and let's upload it.